And that's what people tend to say. People who chose money over God, you know what their response is if you invite them to church? I don't need God anymore because I already have my money. But that is what the world is offering us. Like money, temporary satisfaction. And if you love money more than God, ano sabi ng Biblia? The love of money is the root of all evil. Let us be very careful. We don't love money more than God. But the Bible said we cannot serve two masters. Hindi mo pwedeng piliin ang dalawa. I'm so sorry. Right? You only choose one. Either you choose the world or you choose God. Hindi pwedeng ibigay ko sa kanya yung tsokolate, ibigay ko na rin yung saging. No. You have to choose one.